Your timeline says prompt engineering is dead, and loop engineering is the new meta. Here is what that actually means without the hype. Strip away the buzzwords, and an AI agent is just a while loop. The model runs. It calls a tool. The result comes back. It runs again until it stops asking for tools. That pattern was described back in 2022 in the React paper. Why does it matter now? A perfect prompt gets you one good answer. A good loop lets a model check its own work and fix its own mistakes. As the models got better at every step, the bottleneck moved from the prompt to the loop around it. And it is not just talk. One 2025 paper wrapped a model in 5 feedback loops to write code. The score jumped from 76% one shot to 90% in the loop. Same model. Another put a model in a loop with a compiler and got over 3 times faster code, beating the classical state-of-the-art. The craft is 3 things. Manage the context, set a budget so it cannot loop forever, and nail the stop condition. Because if a compiler can check the work, you can walk away. The model is a commodity. The loop is the craft. Subscribe for one real AI idea every week.